Don't let the Valve Newtonsoft JSON module DLL end your session. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll guide you through the scan to restore your gaming performance. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Valve Newtonsoft JSON module, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the Valve Newtonsoft JSON module, a specialized build of the Newtonsoft library found in localized Valve mod managers or game loaders. It handles the parsing of game manifest files. If missing, the launcher will report failed to load game metadata, or will be unable to verify currently installed game versions. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This problem is usually rooted in a missing graphics or compute runtime dependency. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore the legacy DirectX architecture. Then update your graphics drivers to ensure all hardware-related files for Valve Newtonsoft JSON module DLL are stable. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Valve Newtonsoft JSON module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Warning: Valve Newtonsoft JSON module DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for Valve Newtonsoft JSON module. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Valve Newtonsoft JSON module today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.